On 13th, Karangu, actually he didn't send me money. I used my money. Nikanunua 2 bouquets and cards at 16,000. I paid na nikachukua screenshot and I sent it to Karangu. On 14th, tulikuwa na so many orders, around 40. And all these orders zilikuwa za Nairobi. We have around 2 riders. Nao ndio walikuwa deliver all those flowers and the gifts. Mimi in the morning, nikiorganize deliveries, I called Karangu. His phone was off. And I decided to call the wives. Niwaambie I'm delivering flowers. So I called Carol, and then I called Trizah. I told them, kuna gift na waletea. I hope you are home. Wakaniambia sawa. Mimi nikapack mizigo yangu. The rider mwenye alikuwa anawapelekea was a bit late. Cause unasikia was a bit late. Cause alikuwa na deliver, like I said, we had around 40 deliveries to make. So the first person mwenye tulipelekea, cause ilikuwa Karo anaishi Kamakis, and Trizah ilikuwa Gatondo. So ikafika around, sijui tulichelewa kidogo actually. Karo walipatana na rider kwa barabara. But before, those asking, it was 16K. That was chocolate, ilikuwa inaenda na 2,100, and bouquets ilikuwa zinaenda na 6,000. So that was 8,100 each. Hiyo ilikuwa 16,200. Hata mkienda kwa, what do you call this guy? Mkienda kwa Gakenya, mtaona that set. It was chocolate and what? It was chocolate and flowers. Then kwa package yangu, actually ya Karo niliweka package ya 10,500 na ya Trizah ilikuwa around 12,800 kitu kama hiyo. So now ya Karo ndio ilifika ya kwanza. Rider wetu, actually our rider ni follower Jacqueline, because the moment Trizah alisema hakupata what do you call this, hakupata package, I called the rider nikamuuliza, who did you deliver the package to? Akaniambia the Muslim nini, but the moment aliona hizi vitu huku akaniambia that the same lady, na mkitaka namba yake naweza mpea, na wenye nini kwangu anaitwa Mumo, wenye wanajua Mumo mwenye amedelivia mnaweza muuliza. So ikafika kwa Trizah. Trizah ndiye alinipigia simu akaniambia, Purity, nimepata package, utaniambia I'm so happy. Sijui nikamwambia you don't have to thank me, ilikuwa request ya Karangu. So nikamwambia Trizah, I call you back nikwambie how to use the products. I'm not lying. I've said I'm not lying. Nikapigia Trizah akanipigia nikamwambia I'll call you back nikwambie venye utatumia the product, na ikaishia hapo. So the other scandal, can I continue? I'm supposed to leave it at a delivery?
No, you continue. Can I say this real quick? Okay, Your Honor, allow me to say this. Okay, so Purity, jaribu sana avoid comment section, wasikudirect, unaelewa?
Yeah, because they're saying I'm lying. Why should I be lying?
Okay. So avoid the comment section, what trigger. That's why you see once in a while ninafunga comments, wana cool down kidogo, alafu na wafungulia. Sawa? So avoid them. And guys, can I remind you that to support 100 subscribers, and right now you can subscribe for others. So if you can subscribe for 1 or 2 people or even 5 people, please send those subscriptions. Tafadhali una press tu hapo juu, you just send to random people ili saa zile comment section imefungwa hata hao wanaweza kucomment. God bless you. Keep tapping, keep following the host. I appreciate chukua mic. Thank you. Endelea.
So I didn't manage to call Trizah back. I had a very, very busy day. Actually, the last delivery to make ilikuwa saa 4 in Wangigi. And we even had, after that our guy could deliver to what do you call to Kureto Gatondo, akasema yeye amechoka. So we had even to look for another rider. Trizah no alipeleka Gatondo, then akapeleka Don home. And that was it, akaklose hiyo siku. We had to look for another rider. So around sijui what sangapi, siwezi kumbuka ilikuwa sangapi, Karangu called me. Akaniuliza, mulipelekea Trizah. Nikamwambia and she was very happy. Akaniambia sasa ndio ametoka, sijui alikuwa live wapi, hata hawajaongea na yeye, but alimtumia message. Then kukaka akanipigia simu tena akaniuliza kwani what happened after mmepelekea Trizah of gifts and flowers. Nikamwambia I'm not the one who delivered, it was my delivery, it was my rider, na mimi tukaongea na Trizah and she was very very happy. Nikamuuliza what is happening. Akaniambia Trizah is sending her messages, very bad messages, na kwa one of those messages amemwambia ataenda kwenye hakuna problems. Nikamuuliza now okay, between kupeleka flowers and now when something happened. Akaniambia hata yeye hajui, but he'll find out after the meeting. I think alikuwa anaenda meeting Mark. Mimi nikamwambia I think the best thing ni kwenda home. That's what we talked. Nikasema let me call Trizah, I find out what happened. I called Trizah. Akata mkiangalia call log yake, I called around 5 times. Nikimpigia nakata. Then nikamtumia text. Nikamwambia Trizah, please pick up my calls. Akakata. Mimi I just put my phone on silent mode, nikalala. Then kitu saa 9 ndio niliamka, nikapata so many missed calls za Karangu, na nikampigia hiyo saa 9 because I was like why would anyone call me this late. Ndio akaniambia Trizah ako live kwa nani, kwa AC, ati alichukuliwa akitaka kujiua. Yeah, and that's ndio niliingia huko. Kwa hiyo kitu nikashindwa, kwani between could deliver flowers and nini, what happened. Mimi hapo ndio ilifika.
Purity daughter, how are you?
Hi.
What is your relationship with Karangu wa Moraya?
He's a friend. And a friend to my baby daddy.
On this specific day, you decided a friend to your baby daddy that you will go forward and get 16,000 out of your pocket to gift the wives of a friend to your baby daddies.
To give that was a debt. It's like taking something on debt.
No, you said it's money out of your pocket. He did not ask.
Yes, but he paid the money back.
So you said it was not a debt. You said it is you who thought it is right to gift the wives. Did you say?
I think yes. You don't understand. I'm a businesswoman. I sell cosmetics. So that's my business.
Yes or no?
Did I do what?
You said here in this court that you decided to take your 16,000 and buy gifts.
Yes, I bought gifts. It was a boutique. It was a bouquet and nini. Yeah.
A bouquet is a gift. A bouquet is flowers.
Sawa.
So you say to this court, Karangu did not send you. Did you say yes or no?
Now let me tell you something. When I approached Karangu, he told me to arrange everything. By arranging everything, it meant sending everything. So the money was paid back later. He sent me 42,000.
Madam Purity, your opening statement was Karangu did not send you. Your opening statement was, I, as a friend to Karangu, who is a friend to my baby daddy, I decided to buy
the problem. I don't understand what the problem is. I said, even if it was you, now this is someone I trust. This is not just a random person.
We are in a court, please. We are in a court. I am asking you. You said you were not asked to buy these gifts. You decided to buy. And you spent your...
he asked me to. He asked me to. So before he sent money, instead of waiting, I bought with my money and I sent him a screenshot of what the amount I had spent.
Your Honor, I hope you can note that down, that the statement has changed. Your Honor.